So today we are going to learn human digestive system. Human digestive system is a very complicated system. Here many parts are involved. They were mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Likewise, many organs are helping to us in digestion of food. So, let us start how the food going to be digested. We take food from our mouth. Here, 4 type of teeth present in our mouth. They will crush the food and make it slippery by adding saliva. Saliva is secreted by 3 pairs of glands, salivary glands, and this slippery food travels through buccal cavity, pharynx and esophagus. Esophagus is a place where the food travels wave-like. Like this. Like this movement is called peristaltic movement. By peristaltic movement, the food enters into stomach. Here, sometime it stores and started journey to going in duodenum, duodenum to small intestine. Here, small intestine digested food were observed, and which do not digest it enters into large intestine. Likewise, here also we can find peristaltic movement from large intestine to rectum, rectum to anus. Likewise, our food travel through these parts. In these parts, some places we will find some enzymes, and these enzymes releases some digestive juices which are helping in digesting the food. So, let us observe the digesting enzymes. In mouth, in saliva, we will find ptyalin enzyme. This ptyalin enzyme digests carbohydrates. And stomach, whereas esophagus contains no enzymes. And stomach, it produces gastric juices plus HCl. In these gastric juices, pepsin is present. Pepsin digests proteins. Only proteins. Then liver, it contains no enzymes. Just it releases bile juice. It helps in splitting fats. This is called emulsification. And next one, pancreas. It releases pancreas juices. It enters into duodenum. This bile juice and pancreatic juices are enters into duodenum. In pancreas, there will be 3 enzymes are present. They are amylase, it works on carbohydrates; trypsin, it works on protein; lipase, it works on fats. Next, move on to small intestine. Here, 2 enzymes are present. Peptidases, sucrose. Peptidases works on proteins. Sucrose works on carbohydrates. And here in this small intestine, there will be a structures like this is called villi or villi. This villi absorbs digested food which are passing through the small intestine. The number of villi are present in small intestine and they help to digest food to absorb. It absorbs into the blood and undigested food moves to the large intestine. In this large intestine, there will be water reabsorption which is necessary to the body. and remaining waste material moves like this and vents to out by anus. Likewise, all these parts are very useful in digesting our food in daily life.